Okay people, in this video we're looking at a bathroom extractor fan. This is a 200, I believe it is, millimeter. It stopped working. In my shed I have another fan, but it's too big to go in the hole, and if I cut the hole it still won't fit because the beams are in the way. So I was looking at both of them. This housing area and the motor looks exactly the same as this housing area and the motor. So I had a thought. Instead of paying like almost $50 for a new fan, this one is unused, it's just collected dust in my shed, and this one needs replacing. So my idea is to take the gubbins from this one, excuse the words, but take all the motor and everything for that one, and then put it onto this one. Then I'll have a working fan again. So that's my thought for this video. Okay, so I've loosened all the screws on that one and on this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the cover, and I'm just going to test this cover to see if it actually fits. This will just give me some idea if it's going to let me know my idea might work. And what do you know, that is a perfect fit. So that's looking promising so far. The motors kind of look the same, although it's really dirty, that one. And yeah, this might actually work. Okay, so I haven't been to the shed yet, but I've just got the fans off. I had to pry off these rings which were holding, compressing the top of the fans to keep them on. Okay, just turn this over. So all I have to do on these is undo these basically, that one, and the same on this one. A couple of screws there and some nuts, and then I should be able to swap them over. And of course, yes, I'm going to clean it before I swap it over, and I might skip blowing this fan out at the moment, like blowing the motor out to get rid of all the dust. I'll do that afterwards, and if it does work I'll keep it in my spare kit to put back on when the other one burns out or stops. Okay, so I just want to show you, I undid those two nuts which were on the other side there. This is what it looks like, the motor. There's some extra nuts on the inside as well, just holding it there. And this is what we're looking at. So just need to do the same for that and then swap them over. So this is the other motor, and I've cleaned this up and it's going to go in now hopefully. So here we go, it's screwed in and it's perfectly fitted and aligned, so that's good. So I now just got to place the fan blade on. I'm just trying to see, there is a flat edge in there I think, I've just got to find where that is. So just bear with me, I'm going to pause the video for a minute and find that flat side to go on the little flat. I think there's a flat on there. Oh no. No, it's not. It's perfectly round all the way, so it's not. Okay, so the one thing I did notice on the old fan, it had a little circlip there. Don't know if you can see that. If I just try and focus in there. And this one doesn't have a circlip, but it does have the place for the circlip. So that's great. So all I have to do is take off the circlip and swap that over, because the fan drops all the way down and just touches on the housing and the motor. Okay, well here we are, it's all pieced together. All I've got to do now is just put the other side together and test it, and then it should work, and put it back up in the ceiling. Okay, so it's all back together, it's just a matter of testing it now and see how we go. Okay, so it's all back together, test it, and it's working. Now the only thing I can tell you is the motor on this one is a lot heavier than the other one, although they're the same size. So I'd say that the other one was aluminium windings and this was probably copper windings. It's probably the difference in the quality. Okay, hope this helps someone. If you've got a couple of old fans lying around and you haven't got the right size, hope this will help you to fix the problem. Thanks for watching.